Hi there. Okay, so now I'm going to show you where to get 3D Studio and how to download it. So go to Google. So this is where we start. In here, type 3ds Max, and right away you'll see here it says student. If you're a student, click on this. And the very first one is free software for students and educators, 3D Studio Max, Autodesk. So click on that and it will take you straight to the Autodesk website where you can download the software. Now, if you have an account, so if you already use this software and you have an account with Autodesk, you can just sign in and then these options here become active. If you don't have an account, you have to create an account and follow this through. So it'll ask you for details, name. If you're a student, it'll ask for all your student details, I guess. Your place of education and an email address, which is really important because what we're going to do is once you've filled all that in, you've created an account, you've downloaded it, it's going to send you a key that you can activate your software with. So it's important that you give them an email address that you can access easily. And then once you've done all that, you'll be able to click on install now and it will just download and then just install. So just follow through the process that it gives you and it should be fine. It's very straightforward. Okay, so now if you just want to use it for 30 days, free trial, same again, just type in 3ds Max and down here it says 3ds Max trial. Click on that. Any links that say add, just avoid those. Click here, let download 3ds Max 2018. Now I use 2017 a lot through this, but I didn't use anything that won't be in 2018 and it'll be all fine. It'll be pretty much identical. I can pretty much guarantee it. So 2018 will be fine. You can download 2017 if you wish, but just 2018 I would do that. I'm about to upgrade myself, so 2018 is fine. So click on that link and there you go, download free trial. Click on that. Yeah, so a few things you need to know apparently, and click on next. I'll be using this software as, if you're a student it will take you to the other page I just showed you, so don't click on that. Select an individual or business user, and then choose your language, whatever one of those you wish. Go to next, and then again you need to sign in. If you don't have an account with Autodesk, you'll need to create one, and then it'll bring you back to here. And again, follow through the process, download it, and it should be active anyway. You won't need a key for a 30-day trial. It will just count down. Every day you use it, it will be counting down the days, and then it will ask you for a key. So that's how that works. When it downloads, just install it, follow through the instructions. It's very straightforward and it all should be fine. Now if you're a Mac user, if you want to use it on Mac, same thing. And there it is there, that Mac. Just click on that. Mac compatible software Autodesk, click on that. Scroll down, scroll down, scroll down. It shows you all the ones that are compatible with Mac actually, which is quite useful. Go down until you see run Windows products on Mac. Click on 3ds Max there and go through this whole process again. You can download the free trial or subscribe. Just follow the download free trial option, and just as I showed you before, and it should just work fine. If you want to subscribe, click on the subscribe link over there and you can see the monthly fee you will have to pay to use it, or you can pay up front for a year, £1,644, which is almost the same in dollars these days and almost the same in euros. So yeah, it's not much difference, or you can pay that horrendous amount of money there for a 3-year license. Now I'm not sure what to think about that, but there we go. It's entirely up to you. That's your 3 options. You're a student, in which case you get it free for 3 years. You're going to trial, but if you go into a studio and you're using Autodesk, you won't have to pay this for obvious reasons. The company will pay it, and they probably got a batch deal with Autodesk where they get 200 seats for discount price, I would imagine, something like that. But anyway, floating licenses they call them, so you won't have to pay. But it's important to learn it because the big studios use this software. So it's a good thing. So that's it. That's how to install. That's where to get 3D Studio from, and that's how to install it. So let's move on. Hopefully you'll get that. If you have any problems installing it, just let me know. But the key thing here is to make sure when you sign up or you set up a new account, give them a legitimate email address, because you won't get your key otherwise. So I'll see you in the next lecture.